Today we will tour 5665 West Galveston Street, Unit 59 in Chandler, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, built in 1996. The main level features an open floor plan with a spacious living area and a well-appointed kitchen, equipped with stainless steel appliances and ample cabinetry. This home offers 1,221 square feet of living space. Located in the Pueblo Santa Fe community, residents have access to amenities such as a pool and well-maintained common areas. The townhome is also conveniently situated near shopping, dining, and major highways, providing easy access to the greater Chandler area. Upstairs, both bedrooms include ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. Other great features of this unit include a one-car garage and ceiling fans for year-round comfort. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Inquire today.